Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious baked macaroni and cheese with shrimp. This recipe serves 10 or more people and is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you'll need to make your baked macaroni and cheese with shrimp, and we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need 3 pounds of fresh Louisiana shrimp, 2 pounds of elbow macaroni, 16 ounces of Velvetta cheese at room temperature, 8 ounces of shredded mild cheddar cheese, 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, unsalted butter, and for your seasonings you will need some salt and optional Chef Paul Prud'homme's seafood magic. To bake your shrimp macaroni and cheese, you will need a 10 by 13 deep dish glass pan. And there we have it. We're going to first start by removing the shrimp head off of the shrimp and placing that into a bowl. We're going to peel the shell off of the shrimp tail, and we're going to place the shrimp shell into the bowl with the shrimp head. Now we're going to cut out the back of the shrimp with a sharp knife. And as you can see, there's that black string. You're going to pull that out. And you're going to take your shrimp tail and place that into a separate bowl. Add your shrimp tails into a strainer and rinse them off thoroughly with cold water. As for your shrimp heads and shells, you can do anything you want with this. You can take this and make a stock with it, or if not, place it into your freezer until you're ready to use it. Here we have 16 ounces of Velvetta cheese. We're going to chop the cheese into medium-sized cubes. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Here we have 3.5 quarts of water into a large pot. Let this come to a simmer. Add 1 pound and 6 ounces of elbow macaroni. Give this a quick stir. Let this simmer for 8 minutes. It's been about 8 minutes now, and our macaroni is done. Turn your fire off. Add your elbow macaroni into a strainer and rinse with cold water. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add 1 pint of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let this come to a simmer. Now at this time, you're going to turn your fire down from medium-high to medium-low heat. Our mixture is at a simmer now. We're going to add our 16 ounces of Velvetta cheese into the boiling hot cream. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of the shredded mild cheddar cheese. Stir all your ingredients together. You're going to let this simmer for about 6 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes or until the cheese has totally melted. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and optional a 1/2 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's seafood magic. Now if you don't have this, you can always use the Tony Chachere's grill seasoning. Give this a quick stir. Add your shrimp. Stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn your fire off. Now the cheese sauce should be hot enough to cook the shrimp. Okay? And we're done with the cheese sauce. Lightly butter the bottom and the sides of your baking pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We've added our elbow macaroni into a large pot. Pour your cheese sauce mixture onto your elbow macaroni. Give this a quick stir. Now you want to make sure that elbow macaroni is really coated with that cheese sauce mixture. Add your macaroni and cheese mixture into your baking pan. Make sure you spread the macaroni and cheese mixture around your pan as evenly as possible. Sprinkle 1 cup of your shredded mild cheddar cheese on top of your macaroni and cheese mixture. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 350 degree oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Remove your baked macaroni and cheese with shrimp out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Let this cool for about 5 minutes before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it. Baked macaroni and cheese with shrimp. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's Taste Test. The macaroni is really creamy. You can taste the flavor of the shrimp along with that cheese. I mean, it is absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. You are going to love it. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.